In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture in Monday.com. Having a clear and professional profile picture in Monday.com is really helpful for team collaboration. It makes your interactions more personal and helps your colleagues quickly identify you within the platform, especially when you're assigning tasks, commenting on updates, or participating in discussions. It truly adds a human touch to your digital workspace. We'll walk through the entire process together, making it straightforward and easy for you to update your image. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the top right corner of your Monday.com interface. This is where you'll find your current profile icon, which might be your initials or a default image if you haven't set one yet. Go ahead and click directly on that profile icon. This action will open a small drop-down menu, giving you access to various settings and options related to your account. It's essentially your personal gateway to managing your presence on Monday.com. Once that drop-down menu appears, you'll see several choices. Carefully look for the option that says Change Profile Picture. It should be clearly visible within this menu, usually nestled among other account settings. Clicking this option will then take you to your personal profile settings page, which is the dedicated area where all your individual account details are managed. Think of it as your personal customization hub. On your profile settings page, you'll notice a section specifically dedicated to your profile picture. Below your current image, or the placeholder if you don't have one yet, you'll find a button clearly labeled Upload a Profile Picture. This is the key step to initiating the image upload process. Click on this button, and it will prompt your computer to open a File Explorer or Finder window, allowing you to browse your local files. Now it's time to choose the perfect image you want to use. Your computer's File Explorer will pop up, and this is where you'll locate the desired photo from your personal computer. Make sure you've already prepared an appropriate image, perhaps a professional headshot, a clear and friendly photo, or even a team-appropriate avatar. Select the image file from your folders, and once you've found it, click Open, or simply double-click the file to upload it to Monday.com. Keep in mind that Monday.com generally accepts common image formats like JPEG or PNG. A good tip here is to pick an image that's well-lit, high-resolution, and represents you clearly. Try to avoid anything too blurry or small, as clarity helps with identification. After successfully uploading your image, Monday.com will present you with a preview of it. You'll likely see a cropping tool appear around your newly uploaded picture. This handy tool allows you to adjust the focus and size of the image to ensure it looks just right within the circular profile picture frame. You can drag the corners of the cropping box to zoom in or out, and move the box itself to select the best part of your photo. Once you're completely satisfied with how your image is framed and positioned, click on the Crop and Save button. This crucial final step confirms your selection, applies the cropping, and then saves your new profile picture to your Monday.com account. You should then see your updated image instantly reflected across the platform. And that's it. Your Monday.com profile picture has now been successfully updated. We hope this guide was clear and helpful, making it easy for you to personalize your workspace and enhance team collaboration.